The most valuable thing I've learned is leadership, and leadership is people.
There's this great culture of leadership and support here at the college. So they're going to teach you how to be a leader. They're going to teach you to be involved and really impress that upon you. But they're also going to teach you to support your fellow classmates and to support your patients. And the way that they do that is by being so supportive of you.
My decision to come here was based on the interactions that I had with the college before I became a student. I had met with a lot of the faculty and the staff and the students, and they were all very approachable, they were very friendly, they welcomed questions, and they were very thorough and open in their responses. And that created a very welcoming environment for me, and I think that your environment really shapes your experience. And so I saw a good environment and what would become a good experience.
Picking the OU College of Pharmacy is a good choice because it's going to teach you to build not only professional but lifelong relationships that will impact your patients forever. The people in the affairs office, the people that will be teaching your classes, are top-notch people first. And before you can begin thinking about processes or systems, you have to think about people.
Pharmacy is a very versatile and very mobile career. You can go into clinical, you can go into research, you can go into academia, you can go into community, you can go into the business side of things. So there's just a lot that you can do with it.
I think pharmacy has a lot of options that you don't know about until you start pharmacy school. And then once you learn about those options, the OU College of Pharmacy gives a great avenue for pursuing those options. And just from the breadth of opportunities that we have, the tracks that we have, the amazing professors that we have, and then being at an academic medical center where you're training with physicians, future nurses, future dentists, future allied health professionals, and even some graduate students, and also the PA students here. You won't have that kind of thing anywhere else, but here at OU College of Pharmacy.
There are not a lot of College of Pharmacies that sit on a healthcare campus. This college moved from Norman campus 30, 40 years ago. So it moved into this specialized area in Oklahoma City. You've got the medical school, you've got the dental school, you've got the physician's assistant school, you've got the nursing school. It's all here with major hospitals. Anything you really want to do as far as a specialty goes, there's a nuclear pharmacy on campus. It's here. So it's all within arm's reach. I think that lends itself to the intercollaboration of professionals, but also it makes experiences closer and more available to you.
When it comes to pharmacy education, they produce some of the best prepared students out there. I think it's offering all of those tracks in all those different specialty areas.
The tracks really help shape us into good candidates for residency by focusing our attention on taking the right classes and taking the right rotations. And the track also provides us with an opportunity to do an independent study with one of the faculty, and that helps us create a relationship with the faculty that are in our track that we wouldn't necessarily have otherwise, and that I think is really going to help me attain a residency.
Throughout this interview process for residency, I met tons of students across the whole United States that were applying for the same positions I was applying for. And one thing that I know that we have for sure that a lot of schools don't have are the tracks. I didn't meet anyone from any other college that had that type of skill set. And then, most importantly, the people that I was interviewing for my job essentially was fascinated by that as well because of the projects that I've been able to participate in since I have been a member of the leadership track.
The blend of programs here, whatever kind of pharmacy you want to go into, you can learn about it here and be sent to, in the form of residencies or fellowships or rotations, to different experiential sites in order to be able to gain that experience and be prepared for a career and get opportunities to actually get jobs in that career because of what the University of Oklahoma is and what it stands for.
Be prepared to be really involved. It's going to take you places that you would not have thought of before, and you only get out what you put in. And you can get so much out of your time here at the OU College of Pharmacy if you're willing to put in the work and become really involved.